Hello, let's take a look at exercise 15.5, number 1. I wanted to show you this one because in the book and the solutions provided, they are using the formulas, which are fine, but you can also do this by using your calculator. So for number 1, we have to find the size of the periodic sinking fund payment and then the balance in the sinking fund at the time indicated in the last column. So for number 1, we know end of term amount in the sinking fund, which is our future value, is 12 million. The term is 10 years, but they're semi-annual, so 2 payments per year, which would give us n equal to 20. Sinking fund rate of return, 7%, so our interest per year is 7. Again, it says payment and compounding interval 6 months, so P, Y, and CY are both equal to 2. It tells us this is payments at the end, so we know we have to keep it in ending mode. So the first thing we're going to enter in first, present value equals 0, and the first thing we're going to calculate then is our payment amount. Now it asks us to get it to the nearest dollar, so it's 424,333. Now, if we enter that payment into our calculator, so we just calculated it, but now we just want to enter it in. So 424,333, remember that the payment is negative, and you hit the payment button to enter that amount in. Now we can then go to our amortization worksheet. So we need to find the balance at the end of interval 12. So you use the amortization worksheet. So if you hit second, and the amortization worksheet is right above the present value button. So if you hit that, P1, you're going to enter 12 for period 1. Period 2 is 12 because we want the balance at the end of just that period. So if you hit 12, you're going to get the balance of 6196094. So again, I like doing everything on the calculator if it's possible. So I just wanted to show you one of these. So all of these can be done on calculator. And also in the chapter, there was times when you had to work out dates, the number of days between a period. Again, don't forget you can use your date worksheet on your calculator to do those questions.